Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import reviews from Judge.me to your Shopify products. Now this is going to be an easy tutorial and quick. Okay, so first thing you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now after guys you are on your Shopify App Store here, you want to search for Judge, okay, Judge.me, okay. So as you can see, after you search here for Judge.me, you will find two apps that are similar from the same company. Like the first one is Judge.me product reviews app, and this app it's called also Judge.me AliExpress reviews. So these apps work together, so you must like download both of them. So that's what we are going to do. Just download the first app, which is like Judge.me product reviews. Just download the app, like confirm, just click again on install, come back to Shopify App Store and download the AliExpress Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Okay, so I'm going to search for it. Okay, so I'm going to search again for Judge.me. It seems like I closed the app. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, this is another app. Like I said, you will have to download these two apps. Now I have downloaded this Judge.me product reviews app. Now I need to download Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Click on it and then click on install. Okay, so guys, after you click on install, again you just need to confirm, click again on install. All right, now after you install these apps, then you want to just close all of this. Now next up guys, you want to just go to your own Shopify store. After you download these two apps, we are going to use them right now. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels. Okay, so here you will find these two apps that we are going to use now. Now the first app that we are going to use, it's called Judge.me reviews. Click on it and then click on open app in the top right. Okay, so after you are on this page guys, you wanna first, as you can see, import reviews from Amazon and Etsy. It also helps you like import reviews from Amazon, but that's just not today's video. I'm gonna be showing you how you can import reviews from platforms like AliExpress or like similar like Chinese websites. Now as you can see here guys, how is your experience with Judgeme? Here, if you see here a widget, click on widget here, widgets, okay. And after guys you click on widgets, it says here App Embeds missing from live theme. You just need to click on enable App Embed. It's going to take you guys to your theme editor to enable the App Embed here. Okay, so you just need to toggle this on if it's not toggled on already. Just like turn this on. Okay, as you can see. After that you want to click on save in the top right. Make sure you save your changes. Okay, so after you do this guys, then you want to select which widget you want. If you want to use the review widget like this, or you want the reviews to look like this or like this, you can choose which one you want. So I like to install a review widget, like collect and display product reviews on your product pages. Click on install. Okay, so after guys you click on install, as you can see we have now installed it. Okay, this is the product widget. As you can see, it's already added successfully. Now if it's not added, you want to click on add block, then click on apps, and then click on review widget, and then you will be able to add it. Now after you add it, you want to click on save in the top right. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now we are done using Judge.me reviews. Now we are going to use AliExpress, like Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Now we want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and now you want to click on Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Click on open app, and it's going to take you guys directly to the app. As you can see, it's called Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Like I said, they are from the same company. Now as you can see here, you will find all your products, your Shopify products. You will find all your Shopify products here. Next to them, you will have to add a URL, AliExpress URL, in order to get the reviews from that product from AliExpress, so that you can import them to your Shopify store. Okay, so what you guys need to do here, as you can see, first you want to search for that exact product on AliExpress. First you will have to go to AliExpress and find similar products. Okay, that's what you guys need to do. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go to AliExpress. As you can see, watch, automatic watch. I'm going automatic watch. I'm going to search for it, guys, to search for that exact product because I have imported the product from AliExpress. Of course, this is going to work even if you haven't, like if you didn't import product from AliExpress, you imported it from another supplier or a private supplier. You just need to find that exact same product here on AliExpress. Okay, so that's all you need, guys. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to find that exact same watch, which is this. Okay, just use this an example. Click on the watch. Okay, so after, guys, you click on the watch, what you guys need to do is to copy the URL in the top. Make sure the watch has some reviews in it. As you can see, 66 reviews. So just copy the URL, right click and copy the URL in the top, and that's all you need to do. And then come back and then paste here the URL where it says AliExpress URL, and then click on import. So after, guys, you click on import, you can also choose here show advanced settings if you want to import reviews only from a specific country. Like if you want to import reviews only from USA, you can do that. Or if you don't want, for example, if you don't want to import reviews from Brazil or Spain or Canada, you can just toggle it off. Okay, you can also make some changes like the number, the minimum review word count, or reviews must have images. You can check this, or you can just translate these reviews if they are not in English. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this, but I don't like to customize this like this. I'm just going to click on hide advanced settings. Now the number of reviews to import, I would like to import 10 reviews. So after you are done, click on import reviews. Okay, as you can see, it says here import in progress. You just need to wait a few seconds and these reviews will be imported into your Shopify product. So like I said, guys, in the video, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm waiting for the reviews to be imported into the product. Okay, so let me check now. I'm going to reload this page to see if the reviews now appear or not. Okay, I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click on the product to see if the reviews appear now or not. Yeah, the reviews now, it's going to take a few, sometimes it takes a few minutes. I don't know exactly why this happens, so you just need to give it a few minutes for the reviews to appear. Okay, so the reviews now appear on your Shopify. As you can see, 10 reviews. As you can see now, the reviews appear inside. Like if customers visit your product page, you will be able to see the reviews. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know, guys, in the comments if you have like any questions, you don't understand anything. Okay, as you can see, these are the reviews. You cannot see them if you are using your own Shopify store, so you open the product page in a different browser. As you can see, these are the reviews we have imported, which is like 10 reviews. Okay, guys, if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.